In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share your screen during a Microsoft Teams meeting desktop app. Before you begin, make sure you are already in an active Microsoft Teams meeting on your computer. These same sharing steps work in both the desktop app and the web app, so you can follow along no matter which one you are using. It also helps to have the content you want to present already open, so you can choose it quickly when it is time to share. Once you are in the meeting window, look at the meeting controls, usually along the top or bottom of the screen. Find the Share button. It may look like an icon of a screen with an arrow, and it is the main control used for presenting content to everyone in the meeting. Click on Share to open the sharing options. After you click Share, you will see choices for what you can present. Select Screen, Window, or Tab. This is where you decide exactly what other participants will be able to see. If you choose to share your screen, it will show everything on that display. This is helpful when you need to move between multiple apps or documents. If you choose a window, only the specific application window you select will be visible to others, which is a good option when you want to keep notifications or other unrelated items private. If you choose a tab, you will share a single browser tab, which is ideal for presenting a website or an online tool while keeping the rest of your browser hidden. Take a moment to select the option that best fits what you are presenting. As a quick tip, close or move aside anything you do not want others to see before you start sharing, especially personal messages or unrelated documents. Once you have selected Screen, Window, or Tab, your content will begin sharing with the meeting. You will know it is live because Teams will indicate that you are presenting, and participants will be able to view what you selected. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.